Thanks for taking the time to have a look at this demo of how to upload your database onto TouchBase Pro. Firstly, what you need to do is get your database into an Excel document, something like this, where you have multiple columns, each column being a different set of information like the name, the email address, the surname, and on each row you'll have each one of your subscribers and their information. If information is missing, like it's showing here under company name, it's not a problem. The only requirement here is that the email addresses should be all filled in. Alright, so if you've got your database like this, then we just save it. What we'll do now is we'll open up the Internet Explorer, go through to TouchBase Pro. There we go. Alright, we need to log into our account. If you haven't created an account yet, it's really easy and quick to do. It's free. Just click on create an account there and type in all the required details. Alright, but I've already got an account created and we're going to log into that account now. Okay. Alright, so now we've got three main sections of TouchBase Pro: sending a campaign, the subscriber management, which is your database management, and the reports after you've sent out your campaign. So what we're going to do is we're going to go through to the subscribers section. We're going to click on create a new list. Now we have two types of lists in TouchBase Pro. The one is an email list, the other one's an SMS list. When you're uploading your SMS list, it's a very similar process. It's just instead of having email addresses, you have mobile phone numbers. So we're going to choose email list now, and we're going to give it a list name. So let's call this the demo list. Alright, now we have this opt-in method over here. We've got single opt-in and double opt-in. What this is if we add a plugin onto your website where people can add themselves to your list directly from your website, our system will either send a confirmation email to them or it won't. The confirmation email is something along the lines of click this link to confirm you want to be a part of the subscriber list. It's best to leave it on double opt-in. You get a much higher quality list leaving it on like this, and it's the default setting. So when you do this, you can just leave it on the default. Alright, so let's click on next. Okay, so now what we're going to choose is the second option there, uploading the list, and we click on next. Okay, these are our terms and conditions according to our spam policy. When you do this, I'd like you to just have a short read through this, but for now we're going to click on the tick mark there. I've read the above information, and we're going to click on next. Now what we're going to do is find that file that's on our desktop that has all our subscribers in it. Now click on there we go, we're already at the desktop. I'm going to choose demo database, click on open, and click on next. What this will do, there we go. Alright, so what it's done is it's looked inside of our database, and for each one of the columns it's made one of these light shaded areas. If I show you the database, there we go, and each one of the columns there has become one of those areas there. So what we do now is we tell the system what each of these columns is. So that's the name, that's the email address, and we want to capture the surname. So we can go and create a new field here, and we're going to call this surname, and that's the company name. So we're going to create a new field there, and we're going to call that company, and we click on next. Alright, it's going to process that. Should be fairly quick. There we go. Alright, now what comes up is an option. What comes up now is the ability to fix any problems that it found inside the list. What we had is that first row inside of our database. Let's just open up the database there. The first row there which was the heading row. What it's saying to us now is that the email address is invalid because that's not an email address. So what we can do is just skip this one. Okay, and okay, so there we go. It's uploaded. All 7 new subscribers have been uploaded, and what we're looking at here is the area of the website that you can manage your subscribers through. Okay, so that's how easy you can go and edit you can upload your subscribers, and then to go and have a look at them, we're just going to click on edit subscribers, and here they are below. There's all the subscribers there. As easy as that. And when sending out your campaign, you can now choose this demo list to send the campaign to. Thanks for taking the time.